3 years ago, I uploaded a 1 hour video talking about Facebook ads. I taught there everything about Facebook ads, the process, and the systems that I use. And I posted it here on YouTube. I posted about it on TikTok. It went viral. Millions of views. People messaged me saying they saved thousands of pesos or dollars from buying expensive courses. And I felt great about it. I thought I was helping. But I stopped making content about ads completely. And people ask me why. Here's the truth. I realized I was teaching people the wrong thing. Not that ads don't work, they do. But ads won't save your business. And I think a lot of founders believe they will. Let me explain. Ads are just amplifiers. That's it. They take what you already have and make it louder. If your offer is weak, your economics are broken, or your product doesn't solve a real problem, ads will just expose that faster. You'll burn money quicker. You'll get more feedback telling you something is wrong. I've seen it happen. Businesses that thought they just needed better targeting, better copy, better creatives, they think those will save their business. They would hire someone. They would hire someone to run campaigns, run ads for them, and then nothing. Or worse, they would get some traction but couldn't sustain it because the fundamentals weren't there. You can't advertise your way out of a bad business model. You can't Facebook ads your way into product market fit. It doesn't work like that. When I was making content about ads, I wasn't teaching people how to build solid businesses. I was teaching them how to use a tool, the setup, the step-by-step process. Yes, a powerful tool for sure up until now, but just a tool. The real work is understanding your economics, knowing your unit costs, knowing your lifetime value, knowing what levers actually move your business forward. And that is not sexy. I mean, it's not going to be a 1 hour TikTok or YouTube video, but it is what matters. Now, here's the second thing. Content is still king. You know, one thing that I've observed from a lot of businesses who run ads, they spend a lot of time knowing about the setup, all the nitty-gritty pieces, but then their content sucks. Hear me out. Ads get you attention. Content builds trust, and trust is what converts. Trust is what makes people come back. Trust is what makes a sustainable business. When I was teaching ads, I was focused on paid leverage. How do you get in front of more people faster with money? And that's useful. But the businesses that are winning now, especially in 2026 and moving forward, are the ones that figured out earned attention. And they are creating content that people actually want. They're building audiences, not just customer lists. Because here's the thing. Ads are rented. Content is owned. When you stop paying for ads, the traffic stops. But if you build a content engine, an audience, a reputation, that keeps working. And that compounds. And I started realizing people I admired, the businesses I respected, weren't winning because of their ad strategy. They were winning because they had something worth paying attention to in the very first place. So I shifted. I started focusing on how to build that, how to create content that matters. And then there's the third thing. AI changed the game. This is recent. AI tools have made ad creation stupidly easy. Right now on TikTok ads, you will see the TikTok Shop GMV Max ads, right? This can also be seen in Shopee, in Lazada, in other platforms. In Facebook, there are also ways for you to just set up ads in just few clicks. You can generate copy. You can generate, heck, even creatives. There are a lot of AI platforms right now who can generate creatives for you. You can test dozens of variations without hiring a team or hiring a media buyer. The barrier to entry is gone, which means the technical skill of running ads, the thing I was teaching, is becoming more commoditized. Everyone can do it now. The playing field is level. Okay? So what's the new bottleneck? Creative, strategy, taste. The ability to understand what people actually care about and communicate it in a way that resonates. That's not something you can automate. That's the human part. That's the part that actually matters now. And when I realized that, I knew I had to change what I was talking about. Because teaching people how to set up a Facebook ad campaign wasn't going to help them win anymore. The game had moved. So here's where I landed. I stopped making content about ads because I realized I was solving the wrong problem. I was helping people optimize the wrong thing. I was giving them a tool when what they needed is foundation. And look, I'm not saying ads are useless, okay? They're not. I still use them, but I use them to amplify what already works. I use them after I figured out my fundamentals. That's why for the past years, I've been focusing on building my own business. So now I can come back to you and say, here are the things that worked for me. After I've built something people want, after I've created content that earns attention on its own. That's the order. Fundamentals first, content second, and then ads third. Not the other way around. If you are building a business right now, here's what I'd focus on. Get your economics right, understand your numbers, know what actually drives value in your business, and then build content engine. Create something people want to build attention to, earn trust, and then build an audience. And when that's working, when you have something that people care about, then use ads to amplify it. Use them to reach more people faster. But don't use them as a crutch. Don't use them to fix a broken foundation. Because they won't. This channel is going to be called Business in Progress because that's what I am doing. I'm building. I'm figuring it out. I'm not here to sell you a course or tell you I have all the answers. I'm here to share what I'm learning in real time as I go. Maybe you have subscribed to this channel even before. You've seen me creating contents about ads. But right now, it's going to be different. And recently, I've been uploading some videos that are not related to ads anymore. And if that resonates with you, if you're also building, also trying to figure it out, subscribe. Let's do this together. Okay?